He was born in 1915 in a jeweller's family in Sangli, a district in Maharashtra. In 1935, at the age of 20, he joined his family jewelry store, P.N. Gadgil Jewellers, set up by his father and uncles way back in 1832. In 1958, going against the conventional wisdom, he opened the second store in Pune's Lakshmi Road, a lesser-known jewelry retail market during those days. Largely famous for his business ethics, he upheld values such as integrity, honesty, and transparency. Around 1958, he introduced the concept of buying jewelry on Guru Pushamrit, an auspicious occasion in Hindu almanac. His impeccable business foresight made P.N. Gadgil Jewellers a name with a distinguished identity. Under his able leadership, the 182-year-old brand opened a store in the US in 2008. P.N. Gadgil Jewellers now stands tall with 14 stores and a truly unparalleled lineage built brick by this visionary soul. As the chairman of Pune Saraf Association and Maharashtra Saraf Association, he contributed to the growth and welfare of the trade immensely. Well remembered for his role in raising funds for Latur earthquake victims, he was actively involved in supporting various social causes. Humbled by acknowledgements and awards, he dedicated himself to his responsibilities with greater vigor. Ladies and gentlemen, the posthumous Retail Lifetime Achievement Award of the year 2014 goes to the late Shri Daji Kaka Gadgil.